Friends, in today's tutorial, we will learn about the type function. In the previous video, I told you about variables and a string. Today, let's see what the type function means. For example, I want to know if there is a variable a that equals 10 and b equals 20, and I do an operation with b as 20. It prints out for me. It tells me what you write. Keep this in mind, friends. Now we will not look at this stream in detail. We briefly looked at the string. That's it. Rest of the stream is still very lengthy and it is quite extensive. So let's skip it for now. So how will I figure out what this function does? I mean, I can see and understand it from here, but in a large code base, it will be different. Over there, we need to include it. That we'll need to validate that the input is a string type A or an integer type C so that we can perform mathematical operations like addition or subtraction. I am giving you an example. There are many cases like this where the incoming user data is unknown to us. Like right now, we know the value types of A, B, C. So we can say A is a string, C is an integer. But imagine if we are not sure what the input will be. That's where the type function comes in handy. It helps us determine the type of the input value or the value stored in the variable. Look, what we do for this is just write type here and then put curly braces, and after that, like as soon as I do something here, I put the type inside the print function and it gives me its type when I print it. You know how to use the print function, and I'll show you how to execute this in Python. And the file name is index.py. You can name the file anything, it doesn't matter. See what class is being used here. So this means that it is of string type. And similarly, so it means that it is of string type, and if I do 1 and 2, if it is a class of integers, then the type function is used in this way. For yesterday's date, if I want to do something like this, suppose if I put this here and do it this way now, see floats are coming here. Float it, which means decimal, you know. So this way we can find out what is stored in our variable. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel.